Make a great choice today with 2012 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 6-speed automatic transmission standard, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, CD player, front stabilizer bar. Come see the car for yourself.